There you are. You know that's waterproof though.
Huh?
You know that thing is waterproof.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright.
All you need is some aviator goggles.
What?
Some aviator goggles. That's all you need, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I take my glasses off because they just get wet.
Wait.
Well, what you can see is just blur.
I don't think you can see without them though, right?
Huh?
Can you see without your glasses on?
Oh, yeah.
You know you gotta cross the street.
Just can't read stuff. And, alright, Nathan.
Alright, have a good one.
Alright.
Don't drink too much.
Hope you don't go get cabin fever over the weekend.
Oh no, not at all.